Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for Friday, October 1st. And with the FTSE here, just on the 1 hour chart, we can see that the US markets are, all global markets are heading much lower. So we'll need to stay with this here as the A wave, the B wave, and the C wave here for wave B, and look at 5 waves to the downside here. So any short trades needs to keep the stop above here because we have 5 waves in this first move here. We'll be able to look for 3 waves in this move and down here for this. So the DAX is much the same. That's the STOXX 50. We'll just come back to that because we'll just tune that in with the DAX. So the DAX here, we're also looking at wave 3 here, an ABC for a zigzag, and then another double zigzag pattern here for wave 4. So an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. In this case here, we'll just cruise through to the hourly chart. We can look at it like this. So from this A and this B wave here, then 1 and 2 and 3, which need to move over here a little bit further, obviously. So looking for 5 waves down, that will take us down to 15,000. There'll be some sort of bounce off that point. There'll be a bounce off the 100 as well, but eventually it should just drop through at that point. And yeah, so down in 14.9, maybe even 14.8 for the DAX. And the STOXX 50, this is just the tick chart here, but wave 3 over here with also an ABC here. So for the W and ABC for the X here, and then also we were counting this down in 2 ways. Just to go back over it, we were looking at it going down as 1, 2, 3 and wave 4, and then wave 5 coming down. But the other markets are putting us in an A and a B situation, so I think we have to go with that. I mean the S&P and the NASI and so on. It's a bit of a rock and hard place because we can use wave 4. It's got an A and a B and 5 waves up for a C wave here. So it could be wave 4, wave B. So we'll just keep a bit open mind on that. But we can look at this moving lower now with all of this. Probably down to the 3.9 in this case, because that was probably, let me just check. Yeah, these lows here, that will be, I mean there's going to be some it's going to be a bit difficult at the 4,000, the medium level, but it should eventually sort of push through at that point. I'm not sure if I should put wave 1 there. I can see that we've only got from the top there, we've got 1, 2 and 3. I've only got 4, 5 here for this one. It's a bit short to have as the 3rd wave, so we may end up going down even a bit further. We'll just have a closer look in a moment. I'll just pull these across. Okay, I'll leave that there for the time being. Let me just double check this. Yep, that looks okay. That looks yeah, we'll have to use that top. Can I count that any different? 1, kind of makes it sort of an A wave down to that point. That's a bit weird. Just double check on that. It's kind of weird. So that means we've got like another zigzag in that pattern there as well. I mean, that should come over to here. That can come to there. That can be an A and a B and a C there. Where does that leave that? Doesn't leave that very... I'll check on that. But what I was thinking here was 1 and 2 here, and 3, 4, 5. So there's going to be a bit of... That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So there's going to be a wave 4, 5 here. And then there's going to be... That probably won't go too far. And then there's going to be some kind of retracement that's going to run out of steam and then drop again at that point, and that will be that 1 and 2, that point. I take my wave 5, didn't I? So that's the old sort of low there, but I think there could be one more from that point. So that's kind of how that's panning out. I will double check that though, just to make sure. That can be, I think, it's very typical of the third wave to break out of the trend line. So if it comes out of this trend line and breaks through here, then you'll know what's going on at that point, okay? You'll know that you're in the third of the third at that point. And that's where we'll get all our bounces from, that fourth there, and our fifth will be down here probably somewhere. That's where that went. Okay, so that's that. So anyway, basically short trading for all those all the indices. Okay, I'll just leave it at that. Cheers.